Hello everybody, Swaminath here. Today we are going to see vendor consignment interview questions and answers. The SAP S4HANA. Yesterday we have been seeing vendor subcontracting interview questions, and I have just posted that in the description. Check the description. And moreover, interview in the interview point of view, I have just given vendor consignment. If you want to know the process also, I have posted the video in the description. Check vendor consignment, the process. Okay. First thing they may ask you is, let's go to the interview, mock interview. First thing they may ask you, what is the process? The process is nothing but, apart from creation of the material master and vendor master, that is a supplier master and PP transaction code, we have to create a info record, purchase info record. That is the first one. Okay. In ME11 transaction code. Next, we create a purchase order. Okay, in ME21N. Okay, K. Item category is K. K for consignment. Okay, now you have to do goods receipt in MIGO. Once when you do goods receipt, it becomes a consignment stock. And moreover, they may ask you what is the definition of the consignment, vendor consignment. So goods is placed in the vendor will be placing the goods in the company's premises under the ownership of vendor. Vendor will be the owner. If he wants it, he can take it back. Or else once when the company is consuming it, it will be billed by the vendor, where it's payable, vendor payable. Okay. Now we do the goods receipt, and finally we do transfer posting in MIGO 411K. Movement type is 411K. And finally, we do vendor invoicing MRK transaction. Okay. Next, they may ask you what is the movement type. Normally 101. Okay. Once when you do this third step, let's go for this. Once when you do this third step, it becomes consignment stock. It becomes consignment stock. And after doing this transfer posting in MIGO, it becomes company stock. Okay. So for this, it is 101 transaction. For this, it is 101 transaction code. And movement type. For this, it is 411K movement. First one is 101 movement type. Next one is 411K movement. 101 and 411K movement type. Transfer posting is 411K movement type. They may ask you this question. And finally, integration with the FICO. Definitely they may ask you in the interview question, this interview with the integration with the FICO. I'll just show you in the SAP system itself. Okay. Upon doing goods receipt, what document gets created? 101 movement type, only material document is created, no accounting document is created. Okay. Next step, upon doing transfer posting, they may ask you what document gets created. 411K movement type, one material document gets created, accounting document gets created. I'll just show you in the live system itself. Finally, consignment settlement, accounting document gets created. Let's go to the live system and I'll just show you. Let's go to MB51, transaction code MB51. Already I have done the process, consignment process for this vendor. Okay, execute. Okay, 101 movement type. Just double click onto this line item. Okay, go to FI document. No document gets created, right? Accounting document is not created for 101 movement type. See, 101 movement type. 101 movement type. Only material document gets created. Let's come back for 411K. Double click onto this line item. FI document. Click onto this FI document. See here, accounting document gets created. Double click onto this accounting document. See here, KON and BSX document gets created. Accounting document, payable consignment and raw material BSX. Let's go to another screen and OBYC transaction code. We can see this KON and BSX. OBYC. transaction code, BSX and KON. BSX, double A, INT, continue. International Chart of Account, continue. CL 3000, 30000, 30000. This is the amount. 3000 is nothing but the valuation class of the material. Valuation class, where would you find it? In material master. Go to MM01, MM03. Let's enter the material. 60673 is my material. Press enter. Organizational level, ZXC5, ZXC5. Plant and storage location. Go to accounting. Here it is valuation 3000. Okay, 3000. The same 3000, and the account GL account will be created, will be given by finance team. Be created by finance team, and there you can ask them. Okay. Now the integration is this point. BSX. BSX is this. Okay. Inventory post. BSX is the inventory post. Now come back. KON. KON. Next, two document gets created. Accounting document. KON. Next document is KON. Consignment payable. Double click onto this line item. See 6169900. 169900. Here it is. 169900. KON. So you may say like KON document and BSX payable, consignment payable, and inventory posting. Inventory posting. They may ask you what is the accounting document gets created, what will be there in the accounting document, so that you can say like KON and BSX will be created. Okay, account key will be posted. Accounting will be posted. Now, finally, MRKO. Go to MRKO document. Let me close this. / and MRKO. MRKO. Enter the supplier number. This is my supplier number. Press enter. Select display withdrawals. Execute. Click onto this document number. It is already settled. So now you can see like KBS document. Transaction KBS with an input tax BST will be created in the accounting document. Transaction KBS and BST. See here. Payable consignment KBS 6169900 and input tax BST. Input tax. I'll just show you input tax BST. Let's go to OBYC transaction code BST. They may ask you, definitely they may ask you this question. BST. See here, input tax, purchase input tax, double A. See, this is the tax account. Gets posted. This tax account, tax is posted. See here, 154000. So these are all the important questions they may ask you in this topic. Thank you.